In this video, we're going to go over starting a new drawing. Now, in order to do this, you should already have your template file. You can see I have my DWT here. You're only going to have one template file. It's really important that you're not accidentally saving everything as a template because it can be really confusing, and you're going to have to do a little bit more work if that's the case. With AutoCAD, there are a lot of ways to do the same thing. So I'm just showing you one way to start a new drawing. A drawing is a .dwg and it has this icon. That's going to be a majority of our files in AutoCAD. So in order to start my drawing, I'm going to click the drop down next to New and I'm going to browse templates. That's going to bring up this pop-up, and now if you look, these templates are housed specifically on this desktop. So if I have to move computers for any reason, I'm not going to have access to my template. So it's really important that we're saving our template files into our U drive. Mine, I know, is in my DDE folder, and then I made a subfolder for AutoCAD. So I'm going to grab my template and I'm going to open that. Now, this is going to look like our template. My model space is still blank. I have my border, my title block, everything is filled out here, and all of my layer properties are still active. But if you look up here at the top, you're going to see that it's drawing5.dwg. That DWG is telling me that it's a drawing file. So that's how you're going to start any new drawing.